Hello, welcome to another episode of Question of the Week. This week's question is, will you ever be part of a clinical trial? Tika 2. Thank you so much for your question. No, I will not be part of a clinical trial. There are several reasons for this. First, clinical trials can be very dangerous. A drug can be developed and the side effects are not established. I have known several people who have taken part in clinical trials and have died as a result of the trial. Second, the clinical trial does not guarantee the drug will be approved for future use. I know a family who has a very sick son. The son was part of a clinical trial. The drug was a miracle. The son's health did a remarkable turnaround. The mom was overjoyed at the incredible improvement her son was having. Unfortunately, when the trial ended, there was not enough evidence that this drug was beneficial to the participants in the study. The funding for the drug was stopped. The son was not able to get any more of the medicine. The mother tried desperately to get more of the drug from the researchers, but all her efforts were futile. The son's health rapidly deteriorated and became worse than what it was before the study. The mother was devastated to know there is a drug which has been developed which could save her son's life, but she is not able to get the medicine for her son. That has been the hardest thing for her to live with. And lastly, I have many allergies and experience side effects to many medicines. In 2018, my doctor gave me a medicine which he did not tell me was experimental. Within 10 minutes of the drug infusing, I developed an anaphylactic reaction. Praise be to God, a nurse was administering the drug. She immediately gave me life-saving medicine and I was rushed to the hospital. I survived, but even the thought of possibly experiencing that awful situation ever again is enough to quell any thoughts of me becoming a participant in a clinical trial. I am sure clinical trials are great for some people, but for me, I am okay with my medical conditions and accept my health for what it is. Thank you so much for your question. And remember, if you have a question, you can leave it in the comments below this video or submit it to me via Facebook, MeWe, or email. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a great day and a wonderful week. Bye-bye. It's raining outside, so I apologize. It's kind of dark and dreary in here, but I can't turn the lights on because then it really messes up my camera and the colors get really weird. But on another fun note, the birds outside are enjoying the rain and I'm getting very distracted because I see them like flying around. They're like, it's raining. I can't believe it's raining. And they're just very distracting. I keep going, ooh, birdie, 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 and I can't do my video. So it's been lots of fun. So that's what's happening here. It's raining and the birds are going crazy, crazy, crazy. Bye-bye.